Hello friends, I am back with my second video on how to draw complex shapes easily. So let's begin. Look at this. It has a complex shape. So our aim is very simple. We just need to divide it in some basic shapes just like this. And we can draw these simple shapes very easily, right? Why wait then? Let's draw. So the basic shape is ready. Now we can proceed with the drawing. If you want to learn, then kindly watch the full video. Look, these complex shapes seem to be complex. Why? Because they are actually complex, right? But if we want to make them look simple, we have to see them as a combination of simple shapes. Just look at this figure. It is actually complex, but we can break it into some simple shapes, right? And after breaking it into some simple shapes, we can get the proportions correct. And our drawing is definitely going to look good. So we need to start looking at things not as a complex shape, but as a combination of many simple shapes. Now we are done with the basic outlines. Now we just need to add details. We can go hours and hours and add as much details as possible. So first of all we have to rub the unnecessary lines, and then we can proceed with the detailing process. In our upcoming videos, I shall definitely discuss on the detailing process. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Take another example. Look how I divided the face into simple shapes. With practice, you will become expert enough to draw the shapes directly. In our next example, I have tried to do the same thing. I have tried to draw without dividing the reference into simple shapes, which we will see in the later part of this video. Just like in the earlier example, we have divided the face into basic shapes. Now we can add details in the face. Since this video is not on the detailing part, so I am fast forwarding it, and I will definitely discuss the detailing part in my upcoming videos. But for now, I am keeping this video as simple and as basic as possible. And here comes the final example where I am going to draw it directly without dividing the reference picture into its simpler shapes. And here it is. We have got the final outline of this tiger. Now we can add the details as per our wish. Since this video is not on detailing, I will keep this sketch as rough as possible. So friends, if you liked my video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.